Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to talk to you about ghost notes or ghost chords. This is ways of playing chords and notes that you can fit in without playing them. And they're very, very useful. They make your playing sound much more sophisticated than it might actually be. So I'm going to start off with a little chord pattern. Like that. And I'm going to play it again. Notice the last chord on the G and the D, I'm not playing the chord, and it gives me loads of time to get to the next chord. So watch, I'm going, and then I'm playing nothing, then the D, then nothing. We'll see. It's a really useful trick, and stuff like that. Just muck about with it. Works better for some chords than others, but it's a really useful way of giving yourself a little bit of extra time to get to the next chord, and stylistically it also sounds kind of cool. The next one is a way of hammering to play another note. So if I go 1, 2, 3, 4 whilst playing this chord, I'll put that chord here so you can see that. I can go so I'm hammering on, I'm going, yeah, and it gets you an extra beat in the rhythm. So like that. You can build up some really complicated patterns, and like whilst keeping this really nice and steady. So yeah, sounds really nice and tricky, but there's really not a lot going on other than that's doing that, jump, 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 and here I'm going. Okay, the final part of this is you can actually fit in more than one note. So I'm going to do this with a with that chord. I'm going to put that here so you can see that. Now I'm going to go, yeah, so I'm playing once, hammering to give me 3 notes out of 1, yeah, and you can go. G. I'll do that again, that sounds quite cool. Okay, muck around with that. They're really useful. Great things to spice up your playing and to make things sound really interesting and intricate. You do need to build up your strength a little bit on your fingers, particularly if you're using your little finger. Some people can find that quite a thing when they're starting out, just to get the strength in your little finger to be able to do that. Work at it, it's worth it. At the end of the day, we want this to be as easy as possible, and using all those little ghost notes really does make things very, very efficient. That's it for now. I'll see you next time.